Grab It and Go LPL Garage Holds pickup service is held Monday through Saturday. Staffers will have reserved materials waiting at the designated table when you arrive for your assigned time slot. Follow the directions on the signs in the garage. Stop your vehicle at the holds table. You can drop off any returns at the marked area next to the holds table. Find your labeled bag that holds your reserved materials. Walkers have their own area. Please wait in that designated area until the holds area has cleared from vehicles. Then proceed to the holds table. The process really is as clear as the name indicates. Grab it and go. You can find more information at lpl.org.